Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a quick walkthrough video of this 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX stern drive. Wanted to show you guys some of the great features about this 19-foot boat that has more space than any other boat in its class. At the bow here, you've got a nice rounded off design that's got plenty of room for 2 to 3 people. Storage under both of these seats here for additional safety gear, fenders, life jackets, etc. As we make our way back, we'll look at the port side over here. There's a large finished out storage compartment, completely carpeted. Very nice touch for this boat here, and there's also a nice spacious glove box on top here. Plenty of room for phones, wallets, keys, just random stuff like that, snacks, etc. There's a large ski locker on the floor here. You can see the woven vinyl flooring to it, snaps out for easy cleaning. As we make our way to the helm, we've optioned this boat with the optional Simrad touchscreen display. It's a GPS, fish finder, chart plotter all in one. There's an upgraded Fusion head unit that has Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary. That's a nice touch for this year. Stainless steel bezel on the gauges, tilt steering wheel, making it very comfortable for the driver to pick all their positions, cup holder and USB chargers, things like that. Just all the creature comforts that you'd expect from the quality boat that Sea Ray is. Bolstered seat here that flips up so you can get up elevated over the dash when you're pulling someone from the optional wakeboard tower that we've also put on this boat. You can pull wakeboards, tubes, skis, water sports, things like that. Nice bimini shade. There's also on the port side, there's a lounge seat here that flips away, folds underneath so you can have double captain's design, or you can have that additional space for someone. There's a insulated cooler built into the boat here. That's drains into the bilge, so you don't have to worry about that. Also, this boat's equipped with the 4.5 liter V6 that makes 200 horsepower. Very easy to access everything. Some additional storage over there. You see the boat cover that comes with it there, and a nice swim platform at the back. Thank you for looking at this 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX here at MarineMax Houston. My name is Steven Smith. Come see us today.